This is the elevator at the Moon Professional Pavilion in Moon Township, Pennsylvania. It's a Dover Oildraulic tradition from the 80s. The ceiling's rather low. And this is interesting. I guess we're on L, so I guess we'll go up to 2 if that's open, which it is. Here we go up. Start. Control on this might be replaced. I don't know. Indicator doesn't really work correctly. That LED indicator. This is probably actually a late 70s installation. It just shows a dash. It doesn't show anything for 1 and 2. It just shows a dash. Here 2. Back down to lobby. Old looking card reader. Maybe it doesn't want phone. Certificate. It's a basic laminate gray cab. This is definitely not the original cab. Newer carpet floors, newer ceiling. Mini LED lights. This building is a little renovated. Here, back to the lobby. Probably the machine room right there. Of course, it's a machine room.